Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be taking a few shots with the newest firearm in my collection, the Rossi Gallery. Got some shells loaded up in here. I'm going to be shooting at some small 1-inch to 3/4-inch spinners about 10 yards away. First few shots of it, we'll have to see if the iron sights are on at all. What a fun little gun this is. It just keeps on going and keeps on going. That's really one of the beauties about these. Levers are the same way. You just keep shooting, think you're going to run out, but you never do. Now the benefit of a pump over a lever is that with a lever, you have to take your hand off your grip. You have to break your grip each time, whereas a pump action, you don't have to. You're simply going to action slide each time, and you never lose the position of your hand grip. Well, up next are some cans about 20-25 yards away. This is a gallery gun after all, and this is the type of stuff you like to do with a gallery gun. Now, I noticed when I was shooting those other targets, it's off just a little bit to the left, so I'll have to compensate for that. But I think I'll be able to knock a few of these down at 25 yards. I think I hit those a few more times than what I actually did, or at least they seemed to move just a little bit as the bullet went through them. I'm not sure, but there's a few times they should have been knocked over when they weren't. Up next is a target at about 40-45 yards, and it's going to be a 4-inch gong. Now, for small game hunting, about 40 yards is definitely going to be my limit, at least with open sights. If I had a scope or something on here, which you can do with this dovetail mount, maybe a different story, but yeah, open sights, that's about it. Regardless, let's see if we can get a few hits on this plate. There we go. A little rocky at the start there. I didn't hold a little bit far left than when I needed to, but once I got dialed in, that plate at 40-45 yards was no problem whatsoever. Last but not least, I have a target 80 yards away. Open sights 22. We'll see how my shooting abilities compare to that, but the thing going for me is that I believe it's an 8 or 10-inch gong out there. Regardless, we'll see if we can hit it a few times. I'll be very surprised if I am able to. Huh, there's one. That didn't sound right. Exit the barrel though, I saw it dirt kick up. Oh, it didn't sound right either. Well, I'm empty. Some of those rounds really, it sounded like they didn't have enough powder, and I'm not really sure what that's about. I may have to talk to ammo manufacturer, but regardless, 80 yards with open sights, and I was able to hit it with this rifle. That's actually somewhat impressive. I have a few bolt guns, I have a harder time with that. Now, is the gun accurate? It's pretty accurate. You're not going to be taking it to shooting matches or anything, but you know, for a backyard gun, it's fine. Small game, sure. Now, the trigger, it's a crisp, clean pull, but it is heavy. Personally, I like a lighter trigger. You know, 3-4 pounds is what I really like, and you get that with some of the Savage products. This one's probably closer to 7, if I had to guess off the top of my head. I'm not really sure what the spec on this trigger is, but it is crisp, so you can get decent accuracy out of it. Just don't expect, again, match accuracy. I would like to see a little bit lighter trigger on here. Well, those were the first few shots with the Rossi Gallery in 22 LR, and it did a pretty good job. Now, if you want a larger overview on this rifle, make sure to check out a near and future video where I will go over this in detail and what I like and what I dislike. Regardless, guys, if you enjoyed this particular video, please make sure to share, like, subscribe for more, and thanks for watching.